In a previous video, I told you about how when you use the hot glue gun, all the glue gets stuck in the jute. So I decided to give you a shot of how this looks on black yarn so that you could see it. I decided to use regular white glue and it came out like this. Not the whole thing, but a lot of it. So I took my mother's advice and I used a black marker and simply colored it in. And it worked. So I intentionally did this with black yarn so that we could see how it would look compared to the hot glue gun. It looked better, but it still shows up. So I guess the easiest technique would be just to use plain old clear glue to make your life a lot easier. I wanted to show you this bottle. I wrapped it in the black yarn and gave it a cool design at the top, and then continued to wrap it tightly at the all the way at the top at the lip of the bottle. So I hope you guys like this tip. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.